So, you're thinking about using YNAB, but you're wondering, does YNAB automatically pull in transactions? Well, let's dive right into that. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a powerful budgeting tool that can revolutionize your financial life. It's designed to help you take control of your money by tracking your income and expenses. But one question that often pops up is whether YNAB automatically fetches transactions from your bank accounts. No, YNAB doesn't automatically pull in transactions. While this might seem like a drawback, it's actually a strategic move by YNAB. By not auto-importing transactions, YNAB encourages you to actively engage with your finances. Here's why. Mindful spending. When you manually enter transactions, you're forced to pay attention to every dollar you spend. This conscious process can help you make more informed financial decisions. Enhanced accuracy. Manual entry allows you to categorize transactions accurately. This ensures that your budget reflects your true spending habits. Greater control. By taking control of the data entry process, you have the power to customize your budget and track your progress more effectively. How to manually add transactions. Don't worry, manually adding transactions isn't as tedious as it sounds. YNAB has streamlined the process to make it quick and easy. Connect your accounts. Link your bank and credit card accounts to YNAB. This will allow you to see your transaction history and easily import them. Import transactions. Select the transactions you want to import and add them to your budget. Categorize and assign. Once imported, categorize each transaction and assign it to a budget category. Tips for efficient transaction entry. Batch import. Import multiple transactions at once to save time. Keyboard shortcuts. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed up the process. Mobile app. Use the YNAB mobile app to enter transactions on the go. The benefits of manual entry. While it might require a bit more effort up front, manual entry offers several advantages. Increased financial awareness. By manually entering transactions, you'll gain a deeper understanding of your spending habits. Improved budgeting accuracy. Manual entry ensures that your budget is accurate and up-to-date. Greater financial control. Taking control of your data empowers you to make informed financial decisions. While YNAB doesn't auto-import transactions, this feature is intentional. By manually entering transactions, you'll gain a deeper understanding of your finances and take control of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.